What's up, guys? It's Cody from Survival Extreme. Today, basically, we're going to be talking about something I picked up over the last few days, which are handcuffs. They ran at about somewhere, I think it was about $9-10, somewhere around there, not too bad. Basically, simple double lock handcuffs. Let's see if I can get these keys off my ring and show you something. Basically, what by double lock, if you guys don't know what double locking is for handcuffs, it's a little cool little feature. Basically, it is right here on the side. Not sure if we can focus that in. Let's see if we can focus that in real quick. Hold on. Should be a little bit focused in. Okay, anyway, if you can't see it, there is a little silver dot here, which you take this piece of the key, hop out of light so I can focus, that little piece of the key, and you put it in here, because as you can see, handcuffs can tighten at any time. Take this little piece right here, and you shove it in until it clicks. Now, it could no longer move at all. So, go ahead and unlock it. Usually unlock a handcuff. But you turn it opposite way if it's double locked. Then you gotta swing it back. Alright. So, I just wanted to show you guys something like that. Something simple. And handcuffs, something you can add to your survival bag. A lot of people wouldn't think about adding it to the survival bag, but that's a good restraint. One, you never know. Even on a daily basis, if you're out and about and you see something bad going on, you see a lady being attacked, you see a child being hurt, 9 times out of 10 you got to hold that suspect there, that perp there, until the police arrive. Okay, well, now you can unclip it off the side of your thing, or you can throw it in your waist like this on the back, and now you can boom. Now they're not moving, they're in handcuffs until the cops get there and throw their handcuffs on and take yours off. It's this right here is a very useful tool. It's about, I don't remember what the how much it weighs, but about a pound maybe. I don't know, something like that. But it actually comes with a little sheath for it and everything else. You can't go wrong with it. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna, for all preppers, all survivalists, people of that caliber, I'm gonna suggest go buy yourself some handcuffs. They're relatively inexpensive and they do wonders. So remember, guys, don't just survive, survive extreme.